Okay, so that was all of the prep work that I do before I actually style my hair. So it has officially been 24 hours. I like to give my hair 24 hours to dry so that it is fully dry because it does take a very long time. This is what it looks like naturally. It is, it's not frizzy or anything like that, but it is just quite wavy. So what I do is I don't have anything in my hair now except for the hair oil that I used yesterday. So I will just take a brush and I will just go through it one more time to make sure that when I curl it, I'm not curling over like any knots or anything like that. So it's just a nice smooth canvas before I start curling it. So I have a wand that's about 1.5 inches. I just got this from Winners a couple years ago. It works fine. It's not too expensive. I think it was like $30 Canadian. So what I do is I always start on this side. So I take pieces that are like this, I guess like 1 inch wide, and I just start and I curl it away from my hair, from my face, sorry. So you can see, and I just hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds and then I drop it. As you can see, it's very curly. I won't brush through it. I will just leave it like this until I decide to put some hairspray in it. I don't brush through it at all because I don't want to lose any of that curl. So I just repeat this process all the way around. Again, using pieces that are about 1 inch wide and starting from about my ear and curling all the way down and then leaving it, not brushing it through, and just letting it cool down like that. So I will repeat this all the way around my head. It takes me, I've got this down to a science. It takes me exactly 20 minutes to do my whole head. Okay, so that's what it looks like when I have 2 pieces curled. As you can see, it does drop quite a bit, and I'll show you the length of my hair the difference. So it does go up quite a bit, so it makes my hair look a little bit shorter. I will do this all the way around and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, and that is it. So that took me all of 20 minutes. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very like ringlet-y, very Goldilocks-like. So I won't brush through this because I want it to last a couple days. I want it to last at least 3 or 4 days. So I just leave it. I do, you know, throughout the day, run my fingers through it just naturally, but I don't like to brush it through, or else if I do that, come tomorrow or the next day, they'll be relatively straight again. All I do is I take a hairspray. Right now I'm just using this Pantene hairspray. I use whatever's on sale. It doesn't really matter to me. This is extra strong, so I will just put some of this in, and that is literally it. I just put a little bit of hairspray in here, and that is literally it. And that is my full hair care routine and styling routine. I hope that this helped. Read the blog post as well. There are step-by-step tips, and all of the products that I use will also be linked in this blog post. I hope that this helped. Save this post to refer back to in case you have any questions and want to know anything else. Leave those in the comments on this post. Thank you.